In this video, we'll explore 12 highly profitable home-based business ideas that could help you achieve your entrepreneurial goals. Welcome to our guide on starting a profitable home-based business. Let's dive in. Home-based businesses offer flexibility, cost-effectiveness, and the ability to pursue your passions. They can be a great way to achieve work-life balance. The key to a profitable home-based business is finding a niche that aligns with your skills, interests, and market demand. Become a virtual assistant and provide administrative, scheduling, and other support services to clients remotely. Offer online tutoring services to students of all ages and subjects. Leverage your knowledge and experience to make a difference. Help businesses manage their social media accounts by creating engaging content, responding to comments, and building a strong online presence. Freelance writing can provide a flexible income stream. Offer your writing skills to businesses, websites, and individuals. Use your artistic abilities to create logos, website designs, and other visual content for businesses and individuals. Build and maintain websites for businesses and organizations. Offer services like website design, development, and hosting. Provide personalized fitness coaching programs, workout plans, and nutritional advice to clients remotely. Plan and coordinate virtual events such as webinars, conferences, and workshops. Share your culinary skills by offering online cooking classes covering different cuisines, techniques, and recipes. Offer pet grooming services such as bathing, brushing, and nail trimming in the comfort of clients' homes. Provide a safe and nurturing environment for children by offering home-based daycare services to parents. Create and sell handmade crafts such as jewelry, pottery, or home decor items through online marketplaces or your own website. These home-based business ideas offer a great opportunity to turn your skills and passions into a profitable venture. Choose a business idea that aligns with your skills, interests, and the market demand. Start small and gradually scale your business as you gain experience and build a customer base. Remember, success takes time and effort. Start small and gradually scale your business as you gain experience and build a customer base.